Welcome folks, this is Wayne here, yet another YouTube author and gear review channel. Today I want to do something new on the channel, an unboxing video. Don't worry, I try not to make it a habit, but I got a very special box in the mail from my friend John from the YouTube channel Nasty Renegade. The link will be down below. It started off as a trade, some flashlights against some knives. You know, I'm more flashlight heavy and he is very much specialized into very nice knives. But what started off as a trade really became something. He put together basically a special box for my channel. He added in some very nice extra knives. I already know about those knives, but I haven't yet seen them, and so I wanted to share the joy of unboxing with you and to see some nice knives. Let us start. So, as you might have noticed, this is a box. The common box reinforced with some duct tape. This is the common Red Ontario 1 in AUS 8, very capable of handling those boxes. Oh, my cat is gonna love that. Woo. So yes, there's a real steel knife right here. I think that was part of the original deal. Real steel. Let's check it out. It's my first real steel. Okay, that looks like the real steel flying shark. Flipper knife running on washers. Wow, I really like it already. Very nice size. Carbon fiber inlays. Liner lock with additional safety lock. So full stainless steel handle. Yeah, brilliant knife. The steel should be something like a 14C 28N steel. Wonderful knife, definitely ready for hard use. So now my wife is disturbing me. Give me a second. Of course, really she can't disturb me. I just had to open a can.
Safety first.
So there we go. This is the Real Steel Flying Shark. What an awesome name for awesome knife. I'm looking forward to carry that thing. Sweet. So the next one, I think, should be another Real Steel that was part of the original deal, and that's a big one. Should be the biggest one of the bunch. This is the Real Steel Tarkin. Okay. First opening, first fail. So that's even bigger. And it comes with a liner lock. So sheep's foot reverse Tanto style blade. Also 14C 28N steel. Very light for the knife, for the size. Unbelievably light actually. Okay. Still have to learn that knife. Good lockup. Absolutely, no, it's not quite centered. Yeah, it needs a little bit of work, but I can already tell this is going to be an awesome working knife, working man's knife. Very light, great handle. Superb. Wow, look at that. Let's compare that to a Rat 1. That's the Rat 1. The Rat 1 is considered a full-size knife. So this is way bigger than a Rat 1. I'll compare it to a Cold Steel Extra Large Voyager when I do a review on that. So there we go, the Tarkin. Nice nylon pouch, perfect. So, and now we go into the department with the extras. It's all buried here. Oh, Kizer Well, we leave that for last. Kizer sounds very, very expensive and high-end. Mist Blade. Heavy Tactical. That is, I think, a check folder. That's awesome. Lovely looking. Heavy Tactical. Let's see how heavy it is. Let's get the box open. Wow. It seems the knives keep getting bigger and heavier. Boah. This is cold steel territory in terms of beefiness. Awesome grip. Very heavy. Look at this lockup. Look at this liner. I've never seen a liner like this. It's crazy. That's the thickest liner of all times. Oh wow. This looks like it's ready to do major cutting. What kind of steel is that? D2 steel. Okay, D2 steel, awesome. Very good steel. Needs to be taken care of because it tends to rust a little bit, or at least stain. So it likes to see some oil from time to time. Huge knife. Must run on ball bearings, which is kind of a little bit of a no-no for a heavy use folder, but let's see how it holds up. I'll do a review on it. Maybe I have to change my opinion. This is maybe not an EDC knife, unless you're a crazy person like me. But I tell you, the ergonomics are great. Kind of like has the feel of a decent fixed blade. Awesome. Thank you so much, John. This is really a great knife. I love it. This is exactly my style. I don't know what that tells you about me, but comes exactly my aisle. Awesome knife. Lovely. Thank you so much. Oh, there's another Kizer. I can't believe it. Those things are so crazy expensive in my book. Oh, Kasmak. This is the Kizer Kasmak. That is a knife I was very much looking forward to. I was reading the packing list. He sent me a packing list. So, but still had no clue what exactly that is. This seems to be still in the original blister. Oh, there we go. So, let's see how we open that. Nice. Nice and smooth. Very, very sharp. What kind of blade steel do we have here? It's that VG10. Yeah, VG10 like on my Spyderco Endura. It's a good steel. I've had a hard time sharpening it. But this definitely is an EDC knife. The size of this knife is perfect for carrying it around. I like the lines. Look at the blue backspacer. It comes out nicely. It's a nice G10 contoured. Does it have liners that go through? Let me look. Yeah, it has steel liners. So the G10 overlaps, but inside there are steel liners. You can definitely tell this is a very well thought out, very practical knife. And the design is awesome. Thank you so much. This is really awesome. I love it. I'll carry that a lot. And I'll take it to work definitely. This will come in very handy. So what else did we get here? Not a big Kizer package. We have here a Kizer Intrepid. Now this looks crazy expensive. I have to appreciate those boxes. Very nice box. Great presentation. Oh wow. An additional pouch in digital camo. So in case you lose the knife, lose the knife, it stays lost. There we have the precious thing. Look at that. I've never had a knife like this. This is titanium. So we have a frame lock design. This is three-dimensional contoured titanium. It's like, look at that. Absolutely smooth. Blue dyed hardware. I like blue. Everything perfect about this knife. Let's open it. Sweet. So we have a S35 VN steel. So that is already, in my book, that is more one of the higher end steels. Definitely the best steel I have on a knife, because this is not a budget blade. It handles so well. I mean, you think that this handles well, but then you touch a knife like this and you realize there is a step up. There is a step up. If you're willing to spend the extra money, you really get you get something extra. It's hard to describe, but the way this fits in hand, the ergonomics are awesome. The design is just beautiful. It seems to have hollow grind. So it's very thin behind the edge. This should be an awesome color. Definitely not something I would take batoning. It's way too nice. I mean, I'm blown away. I've never had a knife like this. I've never had a knife that even comes close to this. So the Kizer Vanguard, am I correct? And I'm getting confused with all these knives. No, Kizer Intrepid. Like the starship from Star Trek, because we have a Star Trek ship here. So thank you very much, John. I'm absolutely blown away. I'm absolutely overwhelmed. This is very generous, and this will result in a lot of reviews on my channel over the next 2 months. I will try out all of these knives in appropriate situations and with appropriate applications. So you're gonna see a lot of knife reviews. I know these knives are probably not the latest models or whatever, but what is most valuable are wear and tear style reviews, so where people have actually used the knives for a while and then can really tell you if there is some weaknesses or some features, some aspects to it that you only realize when you start using a knife for an extended period of time. So thank you very much, John, from the YouTube channel Nasty Renegade, for all those knives. This is absolutely overwhelming. And this was Wear and Tear, over and out.